How to embed Canva to Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to embed Canva design or Canva, let's say here, plugin into your Google Sites. It is going to be very simple and easy. We are going to head over googlesites.com or sites.google.com, choose in here your website, and then we're going to proceed to the process. Here I have, as you can see, proceed to the Google site of mine. Now what we're going to do basically is to have a space for embed. As you can see on the insert, click on embed. Now we have embed by URL or by embed code. So we're going basically here to choose one of those. Basically, I'm going to head over embed code because Canva is going to give us an HTML code. We're going to head over canva.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to select the design where we're going to implement it, just something like that. For example, I'm going to have this graph or this table. So, and I want to integrate it within my Google site. How we can do that? We are going to click on the share button of any of the designs. It is going to be the same. Then we're going to choose from embed. If you do not see embed here, click on see all and you're going to find embed. Usually you are not going to find the live one in here because it is going to be something that we have did in the past, so it is going to be live. We're going to click on embed. Now we have HTML code or smart link code. So it is going to be up to you to choose whatever you want. For the, as you can see, the smart link, it is not going to give you the full liberty or the freedom of having the width and also some of the positions set up in here, but the HTML code is going to give you the width option. So I'm going to copy the HTML code, head over here, paste it, and you're going to see that we have something like the target is blank. Here we have here, let's see here, something that we can increase or decrease from the width, and also set up everything from here and there. Here we have the height, the width, and everything. Also we have the margin button. We can go ahead and control it and etc. Click on next. Now click on insert. You're going to find your design in here. Boom, like that. I'm going to have it also a little bit just like this, put like that. Now as you can see, this is the design of our Canva. Now it is fully implemented. You can have here the zoom button. You can have the link to see on Canva. Also, we have some more options about it within the slides. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.